Hey y'all, this is Carl again with Stonehouse Foundation Repair. Right now I want to talk a little bit about plumbing and foundation, how they are one and the same, but actually two separate things. A lot of times what happens is leaks under the home, you have a plumbing leak can cause your foundation to fail. Vice versa, your foundation failing can cause leaks under your home. It's hard to know what caused what, and it's always the big golden question when it comes to insurance and engineers to justify which happened first. Just know that if one is bad, it can affect the other. Plumbing can affect the foundation, foundation can affect the plumbing. The goal is to get it repaired, get one repaired before it gets to where it starts affecting the other. It's hard to do this because if you don't know, you don't know, right? So what I say to everybody, if you start noticing anything, cracks around your home, doors don't want to close right, get your plumbing and foundation checked immediately because it can save you thousands.